Designed for heavy shop or industrial use, Ingersoll Rand electric-driven, two-stage air compressors provide the reliability and performance that is ideal for most applications including automotive service and body shops, fleet maintenance, machine shops, production and manufacturing lines, woodworking shops, dry cleaners, car washes, general maintenance, repair shops, and farms. Bundle with all-season select lubricant for proper startup and operation. Combining exceptional performance and everyday reliability, the Ingersoll Rand 2340N5-V electric-driven two-stage 80-gallon vertical air compressor is durably designed to last a lifetime in your shop or garage. This air compressor features precision-engineered components for easy maintenance and service and delivers up to 175 psi maximum operating pressure for demanding automotive and manufacturing use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Designed for heavy shop and industrial use, delivering 175 psi maximum operating pressure, this 5-horsepower air compressor is designed to meet the demanding needs of automotive service and body shops, fleet maintenance, machine shops, production and manufacturing lines, woodworking shops, dry cleaners, car wash, general maintenance, repair shops, and farms. The industrial-grade ODP motor delivers 100% continuous duty with our all-season select synthetic lubricant to ensure steady and reliable performance of connected tools, while the 80-gallon storage tank offers ample capacity to tackle extensive jobs. Number 2. Designed for exceptional performance. Excellence in design sets Ingersoll Rand's two-stage pumps apart from their counterparts. Radial fins deliver 360 degrees cooling of cylinders to eliminate hot spots. The integral flywheel and finned high-efficiency copper intercooler allow the compressor to run cooler, even in the most demanding conditions, while the overhung crankshaft is precision-balanced for smooth and quiet operation. Number 3. Precision engineered for reliability and longevity. This air compressor is designed for rigorous use in your shop or garage thanks to precision-engineered components that can be easily maintained and replaced when necessary. The 100% cast iron frame and cylinders stand up to everyday use, while splash lubrication enables efficient operation and easy serviceability. Number 4. Long life. Durable cast iron construction, long-lasting extended pump life designed for over 15,000 hours of trouble-free use. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How many CFM? Answer. This Ingersoll Rand Type 30 reciprocating air compressor has a maximum CFM rating of 14. Question number 2. Does this come with the startup kit and air ratchet? Answer. This is the compressor only. Does not include a startup kit or ratchet. Question number 3. When ordered, does it come with oil and filter ready to go? Answer. The air filter is on the unit, but you would have to purchase the startup kit to get the oil. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.